My name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Actually, today I have a plan. I'm going to do a very simple makeup tutorial using Colourpop Supershock shadows. So the two that I'm going to use are Moonwalk and Hammered. So it's kind of like a duochrome green to beige kind of color, and then we have like a olive khaki green kind of color. So I don't know if they sell these two particular ones anymore, simply because I know they've been doing a lot of work on their website and been like taking colors out, putting colors in, cleaning up shop, I guess. It's not pretty. So, but it doesn't really matter because what I'm just showing you today is technique. So you can do a very simple but nice look with just two Colourpop Supershock shadows of your choice. So I'm starting with Moonwalk, and I'm gonna go with, I think, the inner 2/3, right? No crease work. I did put a primer down because I need a primer, you know, hooded eye problems. So, especially with cream products. I'm just going to build it up to the intensity that I want it. Like so. Then I'm going to take Hammered. I'm going to take it on my... Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. I'm going to take it on my pinky and start going from the outer third outer corner. And then really I shouldn't have cleaned off my index finger because I need that to blend the two together. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on just so that I can blend the two like this. Just like little soft patting motions, gently swipe. Okay, got a phone call from my grandmother. What was I saying? Swiping, gentle swiping motions. So just little gentle swiping motions. Of course, this is easier when you have two colors that are pretty close like this, so like two different kinds of olivey greens. They will go together more easily. Now, if you want to, you could take a brush and put them on the lower lash line too, but I'm not going to do that today. So now just going on the other side. Wow, another day where you get to see me do both eyes. And the same technique. So in my case, all that I'm using to create this look is two Colourpop Supershock shadows, an eyeshadow primer, and then I will be putting on mascara. Lovely eyeshadow face. Let's pick up a little bit more of the other one. Just blend the two together. And just make sure you close up these guys tightly so they don't dry up any faster than they should be. So there you go. Very simple, pretty, sparkly. And you can do it basically with any two of them. I mean, what I do is generally pick a light to medium and then a medium to dark for the outer portion. So just to give you some ideas, some combinations that I like to use are banana daiquiri and coconut. So you have like an aqua and teal kind of combination. Rem and luckfully. So you have like the purpley blue combination, whereas the other one was like a green blue. This is more like a purple blue. This is like a periwinkle, and this is like a dark blue. Another one I like to use is A Whole New World from the Disney Designer Collection, and Lace. So again, this is more like the blue purple to medium purple. So you have a lavender and a dark purple. And another one I like to use is Special Delivery and Cusp. So like a light minty green with a dark true green. And see how they both have like a blue, they both lean blue rather than leaning yellow. And you can mix and match too. So let's say I want to take the lavender and put it with the dark blue. You can. I was just showing you some like monochromatic pairs, but you can definitely take it to colors that are close to each other on the color wheel. You could do anything you want. You don't be afraid. It's just makeup. If you want to take Moonwalk and put it with lace, I mean, I think that looks great. I did a Colourpop video where I did the, what is it, the green palette and the purple palette, Just My Luck and It's My Pleasure. Yeah, and I combined those two. You can, especially when you have an easy, simple, like two-step look like this, you can combine any two colors that you want. And you could combine neutrals too, or neutrals with colors. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is that you're doing. Bye! See you next time!